Here I'm changing the air filter on my 987.1 2.7 Boxster. So the first thing to do is lift the roof into the service position, which is approximately 60 centimeters or so high. This then allows you to unhook the two clips on either side. Those pull off. See those? There's one on each side of the hood. Then you've got one and one on that side. So they attach normally to here. So pop those off. You've got this piece of cord webbing. So the idea is that you use that to attach it to one of these hooks. I believe it's one of these hooks at the front. That's what I've done anyway. So it holds the roof up. There is a way to hold this cover up as well, which normally clips onto that bit there, which I've already done. So I've already done part of this, and also taken out the little storage area that's behind the seats. When I put it back, I'll video that. It's just I was having a bit of trouble with one of these T30 nuts here. So there's 5 of these T30 nuts that you need to undo, and then you'll need to undo these to take off the carpet that covers it. So when I put it back, I'll show it. It's just that this one down here was really tough, hence the masking tape plaster, as I managed to cut myself doing it. So there's 5 of those, one on that end, one just there, and 3 that you can get to from the cabin as well as from the back. Those other 4 came off quite easily, so I'm just undone this one, just a little bit more force. I don't know who it was Tyson by. So I'm going to stop there and I'll pick up again when I get this cover off. So after I remove these 5 screws, then this aluminium cover will come off, and then I'll go into where the air filter is. Undone the 5 nuts now, and as you can see, here's the engine cover. It's not too heavy, just a light piece of aluminium, I believe. There's a couple of rings that have dropped off. They are for the carpet, so I'll pick those up in a sec. It's actually the first time I've got to the engine on this car, so bit of an exciting time. The air filter box is over there on the left, so next step will be to undo those 2 screws there. I'll show you the air filter in a moment. There's probably more elegant ways to do this, but I found that just climbing into the cabin and then unscrewing the 2 screws is a bit more convenient, and then you can pull out the air filter cover, and there you go, there's the air filter. So I've got to replace one of those, and now let's work out how to take this out. There's a 3rd screw just there, so I've just undone that one. Alright, maybe I should open the box first. The new one has come with its own little carriage, so I assumed that you had to take it off, but there you go. So it's already got a screw in there attached. Same, there you go, there's a new one, there's the old one. Obviously nice and clean. Same part number actually, so I'm just replacing like with like. There's the old one and the new one. Sorry for the camera angles and horizontal, vertical holding. I don't have my assistant with me right now. So installing the new one, essentially making sure you put the case in the right way. So this rubber end has got a place there, just like it's going to lock into just there, and then there's a screw just there, and on the casing there's a screw. So it seems to be a bit of a wrestle to get it into position, but I believe that's the only way to do it. I will just so the air filter's in its housing. I just need to make sure it couples onto the actual vent. The air filter's back in its housing, just need to line it up and with that screw in there, which will hold it in the right position, put the cover on and put all the other engine cover, carpet and the storage box in, reattach the roof cables. So quite a lot of work just to change an air filter, but hey, that's part of a mid-engined Porsche. I haven't bothered cleaning it up, I just wiped it over, no one's really going to see it, and I'll just get the covers back on now. Admittedly, I've not changed a lot of air filters in my time, but that has got to be the worst. Try and position it, catching it onto the vent that comes in, just took it forever. Not looking forward to the next time I have to do that, but hey, that's part and parcel of playing with engines. So now I'm going to just put everything back. The air filter cover box is back on. Now to put the aluminium engine cover on, and then the carpet and the storage box behind this headrest, and then reattach the roof, those little connectors there. That should be done. Okay, so put the first layer of carpet in, and then you've got the little storage unit that goes on top. So I've just tightened one of those long bolts in, which are these ones. They go through the top hole there, and then just twist around, they lock in, and then I'll do those two, and then just attach the hooks back on there, attach this piece back on, and fine. So this activity should be really simple. Took quite some time to do, just very fiddly, awkward location to get to. Tools you need: a crosshead screwdriver, TORX T30 bit to do those 5 screws for the engine cover. Probably need to be a contortionist as well, and have patience to get to that part of the area of the engine, but it's all good fun. Please subscribe if you found that interesting. There'll be some more videos coming through. Any thoughts, comments, happy to receive those. Thanks for watching.